Is your radiant cooktop single or dual element, cycling on and off? Please note that this is normal operation, as radiant elements have a limiter that allows the element to cycle on and off even at the high setting to prevent damage to the ceramic cooktop. The radiant heating element retains enough heat when off to provide uniform and consistent heat. Please note that the surface will still be hot even though the element has cycled off. On dual element cooktops, in addition to the cycling feature, the outside radius of the cooking area may not glow red when a heating element is on, depending on the control knob setting chosen. This allows the user to select a proper heating radius to match their cookware. In addition, on certain models, the warming zone element will not glow red.